This is a huge headline. For the first time since Shawn Diddy Combs was accused of sexual assault and human trafficking, a celebrity counterpart has now officially been named. A newly updated civil lawsuit claims that hip-hop superstar Jay-Z raped a 13-year-old girl alongside Diddy more than 2 decades ago at an MTV Video Music Awards after-party. The documents also alleging an unnamed female celebrity watched as well, was nearby during this assault. Legal analyst and trial attorney Kelly Hyman joins me now. Kelly, thanks for hopping on with me.
Great to see you. Good morning.
So I find it interesting. What was the hesitation? Because Jay-Z was unnamed in that initial October filing. What was the hesitation for naming him then, and why name him now?
There are 2 possibilities. Usually in these type of lawsuits that you do a pre-suit. So that means that you talk to the potential defendant to try and resolve this matter potentially through mediation. Now, according to Jay-Z, he received a demand letter which he asserts was an extortion or a threat to blackmail, basically saying that the letter had allegations that if you do not pay money, we are going to file this lawsuit. So an attempt to try and resolve this matter. The second reason is the plaintiff that brings the lawsuit has to prove the case. They have the burden and they have to establish the elements of the causes of action. So potentially the plaintiff want to make sure that they could prove their case before bringing it to court.
And Jay-Z has come out, in full swing self-defense, basically saying that this is garbage. Tony Busby filing several suits in recent months accusing Combs of assault and rape. Jay-Z's team, again, in summary, calling this specific lawyer a fraud. Jay-Z also claiming Busby attempted to blackmail him. And Busby coming back in a statement saying Jay-Z tried suing him under a fake name. Kelly, what do you make of all this back and forth?
It's part of the litigation, and this is getting very, very nasty. Now, ultimately, it's going to be up to the court to make a determination of whether the plaintiff prevails or not. It's important to remember in this case, it is a civil lawsuit. And so what does that mean? That means that the damages are compensation, are money. So if in fact the plaintiff wins, the defendant will not do jail time, but ultimately compensate the plaintiff for their damages.
Okay, yeah, thank you for clarifying that. The other big question mark here, Kelly, is this celebrity B that was also named in the lawsuit, this unnamed female celebrity. Why wasn't she named?
There could be 2 reasons potentially for that this person is potentially cooperating with the plaintiff and is going to testify for the plaintiff, so they don't want to sue it, or the fact that they're trying to get more information and get more substantial facts to potentially amend the complaint and include that other celebrity as well in the lawsuit.
Yeah, I know a lot of fans wondering this morning, okay, what comes next? And is this just the tip of the iceberg, too? Legal analyst and trial attorney Kelly Hyman, thank you so much for your insights on this case. Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.